Mostra o teu poder, desliza no beat, faz acontecer. O mundo gira ao teu redor. Com esse swing, tu é maior.
The Dreame H15 Pro CarpetFlex wet and dry vacuum is built to handle the kind of daily messes that usually demand separate tools. With 23,000 Pascal suction, dual brush systems, MistLock Dust Control, and self-cleaning at up to 212 Fahrenheit, it combines power, hygiene, and convenience in one cordless design. Every feature is engineered to reduce effort while raising the standard of cleanliness. Well, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Sobe o clima, sente o calor. Requebra no ritmo, sente o amor. Vem no flow, não pode negar. Essa vibe é nossa, pode acreditar. Te remexe sem parar. Essa energia vai te levar. Chão tremendo, toda uma dança. É o baile que nunca vai acabar.
The H15 Pro makes a strong first impression with its balance of sleek design and practical handling. The GlideWheel 2.0 system creates a light, smooth feel across carpets and hard floors, making extended cleaning sessions less tiring. A 180-degree lie flat reach allows access beneath beds, sofas, and other low furniture where dust often lingers. A smart water tank layout supports longer use. Yeah, there is a 780 ml clean water tank that supplies fresh water for mopping, while another 700 ml used water tank collects waste. Instead of releasing dry dust when emptying, the H15 Pro seals debris in water that can be poured away cleanly. Well, this is a dual brush system wet dry vacuum cleaner. Cleaning versatility comes from two interchangeable brushes. The carpet brush uses dual texture bristles to penetrate deep into fibers and lift fine dust, crumbs, and larger debris. Backed by 23,000 Pascal suction, it pulls up ground-in dirt efficiently. The hard floor brush vacuums dry debris while mopping with a steady flow of clean water. Sticky spills and light stains are removed in the same pass, leaving surfaces both clean and refreshed. Yeah, I like this a lot, Tangle Cut 2.0, cause it automatically trims hair during cleaning, keeping rollers clear and preventing slowdowns. The denser comb teeth improve cutting efficiency, reducing buildup, and ensuring consistent brush performance. Next up is MistLock Dust Control System. Well, the MistLock Dust Control System addresses fine dust at the source. By spraying a light mist, it binds particles into wet debris before they escape into the air. This prevents secondary dust pollution and leaves the surrounding air fresher after each session. Yeah, it really feels cleaner and fresher now. Well, let's move forward. Let's talk about freshwater mopping. Every mop pass is completed with clean water. Dirty water never recirculates, preventing streaks and ensuring a consistent finish. At the same time, the dual rotation brush wash system refreshes mop heads while the machine runs, maintaining performance across large areas. You know what? Maintenance is reduced to a single button press. Once dogged, the vacuum initiates a 212 Fahrenheit hot water wash to sterilize brushes and internal pipes. The carpet brush is cleaned with cool water to preserve its fibers, while the hard floor brush receives high temperature treatment. Drying follows with 194 Fahrenheit hot air, eliminating moisture and odors. A quick 5-minute cycle suits light upkeep, while a full 20-minute option ensures deeper sanitation. By the end, brushes and internal parts are refreshed and ready for storage. technology supports the cleaning process without adding complexity. RGB dirt detection highlights dust and stains, helping target high-traffic areas. An LED display with voice prompts delivers updates on mood, battery life, and maintenance, keeping everything clear during use. Three moods adapt to different conditions. Quiet mode runs up to 60 minutes for light daily cleaning. Smart mode balances suction and water flow, adjusting to detected dirt levels with around 40 minutes of runtime. Turbo mode delivers maximum suction for heavy messes. A 3-hour fast charge restores full power, ensuring the vacuum is ready for the next task. Dreame H15 Pro is designed to deliver strong cleaning while reducing effort. GlideWheel 2.0 minimizes drag, making transitions across different surfaces seamless. Tangle Cut 2.0 eliminates the frustration of tangled rollers, allowing uninterrupted use from start to finish. Combined with high-capacity tanks, allergen trapping mist control, and automatic self-cleaning, the system offers an efficient, low-maintenance approach to whole house cleaning. Truly, this unites powerful suction, mopping, and advanced hygiene technology in one cordless device. From deep carpet cleaning to streak-free hard floor care, from dust suppression to high-temperature self-cleaning, each feature is built to save time and improve results. With long runtime, smart detection, and smooth handling, it delivers a comprehensive solution for maintaining a clean and healthy living space. Well, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this Dreame H15 Pro CarpetFlex wet dry vacuum cleaner. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Gira ao teu redor, com esse swing